What's up everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix Bluetooth pairing not working on iPhone. We have found several reports on the internet lately by many iPhone users complaining about the issue where they are not able to pair the Bluetooth device successfully to the iPhone. So if you have this problem, I'm going to show you how you can fix it. So the first step is restart your iPhone. When there are many technical bugs exist in iPhone, it can lead to several issues including Bluetooth not pairing or working. In this case, the solution would be to clear any bugs by restarting your iPhone. Simply open the setting of your iPhone, click on General, scroll down all the way and you will see this shutdown button. From here you can restart your iPhone to see if the problem is resolved. Then move on to the next step. The next step is connect your Bluetooth device to another iPhone. The reason why you cannot successfully pair your Bluetooth device to your iPhone is that there could be some issue with the Bluetooth device itself. You can test whether the Bluetooth device is having any issue by trying to connect the Bluetooth device to another iPhone. If it does not pair on another iPhone device also, you can get your Bluetooth checked. Then move on to the next step. The next step is refresh all network connectivities by turning airplane mode on and off. Simply open the control center, enable the airplane mode, leave it for 5 seconds or 10 seconds. Then you can go back to the control center and disable the airplane mode to see if it works. And if it's still not working, then the next step is turn Bluetooth on and off. Click on setting, click on Bluetooth, turn off and leave it for 5 seconds or 10 seconds. Then you can turn on Bluetooth again and try to pair, see if it works. And if it's still not working, then try changing your iPhone name. You can change your Bluetooth name by changing your iPhone name. Click on General, click on About, and then simply change your iPhone name. It will also change the Bluetooth name and see if it works. And if it's still not working, then perform reset network setting on your iPhone. If nothing else is able to fix the issue, you can certainly try performing the network reset setting on your iPhone. After the network are reset to their default values, try pairing the Bluetooth device to iPhones and see if it works. To reset network setting, you can go to setting, click on general, scroll down, click on transfer reset iPhone, click on reset, and from here you can reset your network setting by entering the passcode of your iPhone. So hope this helps. Thanks for watching. Subscribe.